Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma, hynne ke sngi Leit Plie paidbah ke ïing Ophis Jong ke Hima Mawphlang, kabadon Lumrynkew Mawiong East Khasi Hills district. Haba kren kani ke sngi, Myntri Rangbah ong begini kensa khana pateng naba ke Hima ke Leit Treikam lajan shihajar snem khlem Ophis ke paka la ke Jong. Da ke khot ke Hima Mawphlang kum ke nongmuna, Myntri Rangbah ong baka ieng pat kum ke dak jong ke jingpynneh ke kolshor kariti ke dustur bat ke Shillong kerpang. Ulapen tikena ru ban asyusyu ke jingkershan na ke benta ke jingdan kam ha ke ke Ophis. Da ke bayaro ke Shnong Mawphlang kum ke jaka jungok kai ke belayok burom baha na ke jingdan jong ke klau kentang, Myntri Rangbah ulapen benaru balamang arpasan klur tingka lingba ke Swadesh Darshan Scheme na ke benta ke tourism center bat kiwe ke jingdan kam ha ke jaka. Ulapen benaru balamang yegi kamera na ke benta ke Mawphlang Science and Commercial College bat pentip bagi kelas kin sedang nadu menta ke samoy. Myntri Rangbah ulaken turu ke Hima Mawphlang ban bu jing tho kenang biki pateng banwan kin tip yegi ni barok bat kamtam baka perthairu kan tip.
Absolutely. There we go.
Ready, Ma? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Raising it. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Tingin niya ay lang kajing hapti, kung ganda kajing triang gulong. Khot subhai ki invitees baro subha
Saudong perthai ki briam kiara Kulau kentang kulau lingdang Saudong perthai ki briam kiara Dala kikmat bakin wanjungo Kakot subha lut ya baro
It indeed gives me immense pleasure and honor to be part of this very important and a historical moment where we have inaugurated the office of the Hima Mawphlang. That these sacred groves are more than 500, 600 years old, close to 700 years old. And the Hima Mawphlang has been there from that time and even before. So you can imagine for almost close to 800 to 900 years, maybe even 1,000 years, this tradition, this rich tradition is being followed and being carried out. And after so many centuries, we finally have the office of the Hima Mawphlang. It is not just an office of the Hima Mawphlang, but this is the heritage of our people. It is a mark and a symbol of the culture of our people, a symbol of the traditions that we have followed and which we believe in. And most important, it is who we are. It is our identity. And that is why today people from different walks of life, all the different villages under the Hima Mawphlang, and all the concerned people are here today to mark this very, very important occasion. Thousands and lakhs of tourists are coming here every year, as mentioned, including top leaders of our country, international dignitaries, and even celebrities. And hence, it is absolutely necessary that we develop the necessary infrastructure in and around these sacred groves and around the Khasi Heritage Village in order to be able to provide the facilities for our tourists and at the same time create the opportunities for our youngsters. I am happy to inform you that through the Swadesh Darshan Scheme of Government of India, 25 crores has been sanctioned for building up infrastructure right here. This will include restaurants, waiting area, museums, and different infrastructures required for even training of our tour guides and our youngsters so that they can set up their base, have the training, even have different kind of stalls so that tourists can buy the local products and at the same time be able to provide employment to our people.